This is thinner. We are using it to clean the surfaces.
वैसे टाकी ना सब्जी छेती लाई जाना माड़ा जा टाकी किसान ने लेते
हमारा तालू च कुछ है बरकत दे
C65 cleaner. This is the thinner I used last time was from America. It was a very good one, but this time I got this one, C65. I don't know from which country it belongs to. It's good, but not the very good one, the better one. There are better than this one. This is the PVC cement easy weld, and we will be using this for the jointing. So this is a very good cement, and we use it we are using it from last almost 10 to 11 years, and this is very good and good results you can achieve with this one. So this is 6-inch dia pipe, and we are going to install it at the section which is blown up to burst it today due to pressure. This is the socket. First of all, you have to check the socket length. So there we are checking the socket length, and the same you will mark on your pipe. So this is the mark where our socket will come up. Because once you start installing the pipe or putting the sockets, once it slide in, then you will not know that how much I gone for inside. घुमा इसको ठीक हो
डर लेना मामा लग गया
घुमा के देख लो. So we are just checking that how much we have installed. घुमा निशान की तरफ ये
ना उधरों उधर पीछे जा यार पीछे जा 60 ला तो नहीं जाता 60 ला तो ला 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 एक और ला 60
हो गया. So now it's completely gone inside.
लग गया पूरा.
So we are checking the pipe from where it is blown. So let us expose the pipe, then I will give you a quick look. Here you can see the pipe is now outside, and just check it how badly it is broken. The pressure was about 80 psi in line, and let me give you a good look. So it is broken, and you can see that there is a crack going onward up to here, and then there is another crack here, and then another crack is there. This is completely bullshit work. I don't know what the problem was there. But let me show you. And then another crack is going in this direction, and it is up to here. So the way it is broken, it looked like air pressure, but I don't know. This is the lowest part. There is no air pressure can be exerted. You can see where it is broken. This is the downhill area, and then we have the uphill further out. So how it is broken, I don't know at the moment, because there is no surges or pumps or automatic pumps, and there is a pressure regulation in it, so there is no surges, etc. So hopefully everything will go right. So let me show you the pipe that I have prepared. This is 6-inch pipe. I have just as I shown you, I have glued that, and you can see it is now, it's gone its initial strength. It's got its initial strength, and now I will be using that with the system. So now today I am going to introduce you a new coupling, which we call a universal joint, and let me show you that. It is here. So this is the joint that we do normally use it when there is a big problem during jointing. So if I really go and put that PVC pipe in a whole unit, then I have to dig the area, a long area, because I need the flexibility in the line so that I can insert these type of sockets, the slip sockets. This type of socket, for this type of socket I need a lengthy area and more labor to install it. So I don't have time for that much, and I can't disturb my turf area that much. So what I'm going to do, at one side I will glue that joint, and on the other end I am going to use the universal joint. Okay, how we will use it? First of all, let me show you how I will use it. So how we will do it? It will work like that, right? And then this piece will be on the separate pipe somewhere here, and then there will be O-ring inside it, and that will be like, let me show you, that will be like this. So this will be on the other pipe that is already installed, and here it will be, we will put there a socket, rubber ring, and this piece of and this is actually the cast iron, so the cast iron socket. So then we will join these tools with the nut bolts, and we will tighten them, and and this rubber ring will fill the gap inside here. And once it fills the gap inside, then there will be no leakage, and that's done. So this is just 10 to 15 minutes job to do it. While if you go for the PVC cement jointing on this side and that side, both sides, then you will need probably a lengthy area, 30 to 40 feet, and you will need you can say 10 to 12 people to pick a pipe and create the flexibility, and more digging and everything. So I'm going to show you how to do it. So let me show you further. Here we put some grease on its edges, and so on the rubber ring. Here you can see. So we put grease inside these sockets and on the rubber ring. So this is the step 2. चल बस ठीक है। अब इसको ग्रीस लगाओ ये ग्रीस नहीं, दरमियान वाला ग्रीस इधर लगाना है अपने पास। कोने कोने बस So here we have completed the installation of universal joint. So we removed the complete pipe. You can see there one socket is there. We have, that is the slip socket. We use the PVC cement to repair that one, and this is the universal. The trick in the universal is that the rubber must go inside the sockets. So let me show you what I am saying. This is a socket in my hand. You can see the rubber should sit inside in the socket, and then you should pull and tighten it. If it is not properly set, the rubber, then it will be leaking. And if you feel that the air is coming from the universal joint, then it means that you have done something wrong. So you must open it again and change the rubbers again. Every time if you open it, or there is any problem and you are opening it due to any problem, then you have to change the rubber rings again and again.